Hey, what's up, hog hunters? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. I'm Corporal Hood. We got a pretty awesome video for y'all today. As you know, it is late season down here in Pennsylvania. We don't have many of them stock trout left. The water's got warm, they die off or swim down in the rivers. We do have a late stocking coming up in September and October, so we'll be back in the swing of things. But this one came from the video bank, one of the ones we haven't gotten to yet, and frankly, I don't know how it slipped through the cracks. But we really think you're going to enjoy this Tiger-Trout. Stay tuned till the end. We got a funny clip, some guys we met on the stream. But before we let y'all go, we want to give you guys a close-up look at that Mitchell 308 Pro we're running in this video. Been fishing this thing for about a while. It's a tank. It's awesome. We did find one bad thing about it. But anyway, there it is, y'all. That's what it looks like. Mitchell 308 Pro comes in a cool metallic green and black color. This thing has a 5/8-to-1 return on it, 14-pound drag, and an 11 bearing system, and it comes in at under $70. Now, if you guys are curious, this is what the box looks like. There it is, Mitchell 308 Pro, green and black box, just like the reel. They're pretty dope. Like, subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram at Single Hook Hogs. We're giving away 2 free Okuma SSTs, 100 followers on Instagram, 100 subscribers on YouTube. We're also giving away a free Dragon's Egg when we get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, y'all. So we're just trying to build some traction now. Really appreciate the love. Anyway, stay motivated, keep it tight. Rod's right there in the tube waiting, baby. We'll check you out.
All right, y'all. Here we go. Pink shrimp, Husky eggs. Oh, that was a monster. That was a monster, y'all. Just missed it. Did y'all see that? Oh my God. Fish on. And he's a big one. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Let him run it. Let him run. That's a big one. Fish on. Oh no, it's just a Husker. It's a nice one. Yeah, them salmon hybrids they got in here. That's a big one. Little Husker. He ain't too big. He's a Husker though. He's going upstream. There it is. There it is. There it is. What we got on him? Oh, he's gone. He wants to go upstream, we going left. That's a nice, healthy rainbow. That is a healthy rainbow. Holy Jesus, now, thank you. Right on the lip, too. We got him right on the lip, y'all. Look at that rainbow, damn. Oh, he evaded me. Fell out of the net. Damn. He evaded me. Whatever. He slipped out the net, y'all. I'm glad he's alive. Here we go, y'all. Here we go, round 2. We'll get him in the net this time. He took off. Fish on. Fish on, there he is again. Fish on, y'all. He's a little rainbow. He's a little rainbow, he's all right. Man, these little rainbows got some fight to them. These ain't stady stockers. These are them good Lancaster, PA fish right here, baby. You can tell. Woo! Let's get him in, get this over with. Oh, that's a nice little rainbow, y'all. All right, y'all. Nice little rainbow. Get him back. Did he live? Did he live? Did he live? And he's gone. Well, we know what they're biting on. Nibbles? Nibbles? No. Right down here in front of me, oh, it's crazy. Fish on. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's a big one, y'all. This is a big one. When he takes off, it's over. Oh my God. It's a big one. Oh, he's running. Listen to him run. I'm just gonna let him. This is what we came for, y'all. This is what we came for, hog hunters. This is what we came for. Whoo-wee. He's going upstream on us. He ain't gonna run down. Oh my God, I don't even want to bring this fish in yet. He's got way too much energy. Oh, maybe 15, 16, 17 something. Oh, it's a nice tiger. It's a nice tiger. He's trying to go deep. Got him set on the drag. Got the drag set. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that? Look at his back. Oh my God. He's got beautiful orange in him. Look, there it is. Look, he's massive. He's a Husker. This is a Husker. Oh, no, 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 don't go. Don't go. No, don't go. Can we get behind him? If we can get behind him, we're just gonna step in. We're just gonna step in and pop him right in the net. Oh, not quite. Not quite. He wants to swim upstream. We're gonna hook him behind him. We're gonna hook him behind him, y'all. Here we go. Where's AJ when you need him? Can he feel the net? He can feel it probably. Woo, he's in the net. In the net, y'all. Look at that Husker. That's what you call a fucking Husker. He don't even fit in the net, guys. Look at this trout. Holy shit. Look at that fucking fish, dude. Holy wow. That's us, buddy. We're out of here. Whoo. Whoo. Look at him. Look at him. Wow. Alright, so what are the fucking odds? 2 in a day. I knew the big ones came up. Hey man, them Husky eggs. Pink shrimp might have lost the battle, but they're winning the daggone war, baby. Let me tell you what. Single hook hogs up, keep it tight. Corporal Hood, we gonna go ahead and get out of here for y'all, man. Hey, we love you. Thank you for the support. Make sure y'all hitting that like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, baby. We gonna keep them coming. One more look, look at that. Woo-wee. 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 There he is, Paul. All right, y'all, give us a second. Where do you see this guy? Where do you see this guy? What's up, y'all? They're in here. I'm leaving. You guys want the hole?
You just get that one
right out of here.
Dude, he just fished right there.
Really, dude? That's crazy, bro. You want some eggs? I want some pink shrimp, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's up, you know? All right, hog hunters. Look at that beauty. Woo-wee! Look at that hog, y'all. Look at it. Hope y'all are digging the content. That's what we came for. Stay motivated, keep it tight. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here today. Save the night. Don't ruin by something horrible happens. So anyway, y'all, stay motivated, keep it tight. Hope out.